Hi everyone! Today I'm sharing a simple cookie recipe with you, the traditional Chinese walnut cookies. The cookie is also called a royal walnut cookie because it was previously served in the palace. The crispy texture and the nutty aroma of the cookie has made it popular all around the country till today. This recipe can't get any easier. You just simply need to get the ingredients ready, mix, and bake. So let's get started. First step, as always, prep the ingredients. Ingredients for this cookie are simple. Half cup of oil, 1/3 cup of sugar, 1 egg, 225 grams of cake flour, 2 grams of baking soda, and 1 cup of finely chopped walnuts. Second step is to mix. We'll be adding them in the same order as mentioned before. First, add in oil, sugar, and egg. Mix for 1 to 2 minutes until it's condensed. Then, add in the rest ingredients. Flour, baking soda, walnuts, mix for another 1 to 2 minutes. And that's it. You've got the cookie dough ready. Last step is to bake. I just simply rolled the dough into small ball shape and flattened it. You can also use a cookie cutter to make it into different shapes. Decorate it with some walnuts or sesame seeds on top. And bake it for 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And the delicious walnut cookies are ready in your plate. Egg and oil in the batter made the cookie crispy and savory. Finely chopped walnut added a unique flavor and texture to the cookie. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and subscribe for more recipes like this.
Bye-bye.